Football, or soccer in American English, is a very famous sport in England and all around the world. In England, there are many famous football teams like Chelsea, Arsenal, Manchester City, Manchester United, Tottenham, etc. My favourite football teams are Nottingham Forest and Leicester City. Millions of people all around the world play football in the park, at school, or in a club. In Europe, there are a lot of famous football teams like FC Barcelona, Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, or AC Milan. These teams play football very well. I like to watch the UEFA Champions League. European teams play against each other in this tournament to see who is the best. Paris Saint-Germain won the 2025 tournament. They won the match 5-0. It was their first European Cup title. There is also an international competition. That means that countries from all over the world participate. The competition is called the FIFA World Cup. They play against each other to see who is the best team in the world. It is every 4 years. The next one is in Canada, Mexico, and the United States in 2026. In football matches, there are 11 players on each team. In each team, there is a goalkeeper. The goalkeeper protects the goal. If the goalkeeper doesn't protect the goal, the other team could score a point. Only the goalkeeper can use their hands, and only inside the penalty area. The other players can't use their hands instead of kicking the ball. If they use their hands, it's a foul. A foul means that you're cheating. Pushing other players, tripping, or dangerous movements are also fouls. The referee is the person who watches and controls the match so that the players follow the rules. If there is a foul, the referee will give the other team a free kick or a penalty if it happened inside the box. Free kicks and penalties are good for the other team because they might score a goal. If the ball goes out on the sides of the football pitch, which is the place where the match is played, the other team throws it back in. If the last person who touched the ball was a defender, it is a corner kick. A corner kick means that they throw the ball back in from the corner. If the last person who touched the ball was an attacker, it is a goal kick. A goal kick means that the goalkeeper will throw the ball back in from the goal. At the end of the match, the team with the most goals wins. A goal is scored when the ball enters the goal. There is a white line between the goal posts. If there is a draw, like 0-0 or 1-1, it can end as a draw, or the match could go to extra time or penalties, depending on the rules of the tournament. Extra time means that they play for 30 minutes longer. If nobody wins in the extra time, it goes to penalties. When it goes to penalties, each team chooses 5 players to take penalty kicks. The team with the most goals after 5 rounds wins the match. Normally, a football game lasts 90 minutes. They play for 45 minutes, they have a break, and then play for another 45 minutes. The match starts with a kickoff from the center of the pitch. When you're asking someone what time a football match starts, you could ask, "What time is kickoff?" Football is a big part of British culture. For a lot of people, it's not just a sport. Almost everyone here is a supporter of a team. People get very excited when their team wins, disappointed when it loses, and feel proud of their club. Many fans travel to different cities to watch their team play, but you can also watch the matches on TV. It's interesting because even if you have just met someone, you can have a conversation about football. So it's a great conversation starter. Before we finish, we are going to learn 3 phrasal verbs about football. Cheer on means to encourage someone with shouts and applause. So if you are watching a football match, you can cheer your team on. Run off means to leave a place suddenly. In this case, it would be with the ball. So if you're watching a match and a player runs off, it means that they run away with the ball very quickly. And lastly, kick off, like we saw before, means to start the match. And we can use it as a noun. So the kickoff is at 9 p.m. tonight. Let me know in the comment section whether you like football and what your favourite team is. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you. Bye bye.